All right. Yeah.
Elegant.
Yeah, my name is Elegant, and I'm just taking this time out to say a few things. A few very simple truth about myself. Yeah, it's been the Lord all this while. It's been God taking me from grass to grace, from greatness to greatness. It's something I cannot fully explain, because I myself, I don't understand. I don't understand the love, the care, the attention God has given to me has taken me this far. Alright, so I'm going to be completely 3 decades in just a few days. And 3 decades is already looking like a century. Yeah, I know He's still gonna keep me in good health for that long. Yeah, a century is what we are aiming at, you know it. Yeah. Alright, so I want to appreciate a few people in my life. I want to appreciate those people that have been with me through the ups and through the downs. I want to say thank you to all of you that has believed in the brand Elegant. So all of you that I have met in this journey to greatness, a few of you have fallen by the wayside. Yeah, sure. It doesn't really stop anything. The journey continues. We never give up. Alright, for my parents, they've been wonderful people. They've been so supportive of me, and then I say thank you to you. You're the best parent on earth. I am so happy to come out from your loins. Yeah. Alright, so for my brand Elegant Empire, I want to say you guys should be in anticipation of a brand new Elegant Empire, a brand new me, a brand new vision, a brand new thing, because this time we're keeping it real and we ain't stopping until greatness is our name. Thank you very much. My name is Elegant Akpabio, and I am your true friend. I'm out of here.